Hello and welcome to another tutorial session. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a Microsoft Outlook poll. Now, you want to first of all ensure that you already have an account, and to achieve, quickly head over to your Microsoft Outlook or head over to your Chrome browser or any other browser of your choice and then type in Microsoft Outlook, and it will take you to a page like this where you can either create a free account or get signed in. Remember that Outlook provides you a world of information or also provides you a variety of options where you can choose either to buy for free or buy a preferred Microsoft Outlook account type that is listed as you can see on my screen. When you've picked your preferred option, do well to either buy or try for free or create a free account. And when you've done that, it will navigate you to a page that looks like this. This is what the Microsoft Outlook platform looks like. Now, to show you how to create an account poll on Microsoft Outlook, all right, so the first thing you want to do is head over to your mail, all right, your mail option. Head over there, and then, which is this first option here, click on create new email. Click on that and it will take you to this page. Now what you want to do is create an Outlook poll. So what you want to do next is head over to this top here where you see file, home, view, help, message, insert. Click on insert, and when you've done that, the options to do a variety of options will be listed. Head over to this point and then pick the option for insert poll. All right, once you've upgraded your Microsoft Outlook, it will show you the option easily. Click on that and then your poll would appear over here where you want to create it. Once that poll appears, set your poll questions or whatever you want to do. Just click on it and do well to edit as you want it to appear. And when you're done, just click next and then click on insert poll, and then you can now send your emails to all of your clients confidently with your poll already created on your email. So this is how you can simply create an Outlook poll in your Outlook account. Thank you for watching this video. Until next time, bye for now.